to our nature show.
Where we're gonna go hiking. Yay.
We're gonna go hiking, yeah.
Get in the car.
Okay, wait, what? Car?
Aren't we gonna walk?
No, get in the car.
The fabulous Jeep.
Yeah, let's go on.
Hey, listen, don't film my stuff. I don't want my car, I don't want me, I don't want anything on YouTube.
Okay. Ow. Booty.
No. Yeah, shut the door.
Okay, booty.
Skedables. We're gonna make a fabulous.
I'll just record my leg.
The whole time.
Okay, we're going. We're going to
Let
the
them count all the hairs on your leg. I
Okay,
guess.
now. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so we have
We're gonna put our rocks in here.
no.
If we find rocks.
So we're going to the park now. Yeah, park nature hike. And for our nature show.
Yeah, can we end the? Okay.
Let's go.
You're born in
Okay, we're here.
Deer Valley Park.
No, we're at our nature hike, not Deer Valley Park.
Oh yeah,
We're at our nature thing.
yeah,
thing.
nature hike. Let's go find some rocks that are.
We don't need rocks.
Oh, I wanted.
Wait!
Let's go. Wait. Wait.
What? Oh, Emma on the bars.
Oh no, this is a picture. Whoosh. Whoosh. I'm gonna take a risk. I probably am gonna fall flat on my face.
No, don't.
Fall over. No. Oh, no. Fall over. No.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I know. A lot of.
Okay, Emma, video me.
Okay, I'll come video.
Nature hike person.
Nature hiking.
Whoosh. Go. Yay! Yay! Yay!
I'm scared. I'm probably gonna fall flat on my
Okay, we're done.
Wait, no.
You only have 6 minutes and 22 seconds to recording on this.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have 3 more minutes left. Bye. Okay, now she's gonna get on the swings. You're gonna get on the swings now. Ooh. Piece of cake. This is
I
fun.
can't. Remember the horror movie Clara? Remember that evil face on the movie for the movie on the
Great, now let's go. And now, this epic, big looking rock. Rock.
Look.
Rock.
Like, come here.
Now climb.
Come here.
Go. We're gonna.
Like, come here.
Okay,
You peoples. This is a rock. That's a animal of some kind.
Okay, let's do some epic magic, okay? And
Weird.
magic. Isn't it
I
epic?
flew up here.
You just flew like magic.
I'm
Like
gonna fly down, okay?
snap. Okay.
Yay.
Go.
Woo!
Magic. It's magic.
Ah!
Oh, are you okay?
No, it just echoed.
Emma's a magician. Magician, what?
Magician. Magician.
Emma, go on the scary monkey bars.
Okay.
Ow, almost hit my head.
How are they scared?
Yay! She did some magic there.
Watch this, everybody.
Let's go on the trail.
No. No. Stop.
It's so epic time with Mima. Ma.
Are you recording?
Look how epic it is. Look at the stream. Like it's so watery and water.
And
Water.
down there, there's like a stream and we can put our feet in.
Cool. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Let's go on our nature hike.
Yeah. Let's come here.
Okay.
Up there, I went once and there was a snake up there.
Ew.
You don't like snakes?
Look at this. The neighbors were here. Clerk. What does that mean? Look how nice this is. Well, it's not really nice, but
It's dirty.
we found some rocks,
Now we're
and now we're gonna clean them from there.
Look, here, watch me. Woo-hoo! How am I gonna put this in my bag if it's wet?
Okay, Emma, let's end it. Let's end it because it's like seconds before
How
it
many?
ends.
What time is it at?
It's like.
Hope you enjoyed the nature show. Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay.